Hello, this is Miss Leniak, and for today's music class, I'm just going to review again one more time how to go on to Quaver on a Chromebook. Okay, so right here I have a Chromebook, and when it pops up with the student login, I'm just going to press that little arrow. Alright, I'm going to press the arrow again. Go ahead to student login. Alright, so it's booting up for me. I'll give it a second to load. Alright, so now that Google Chrome has loaded, your Chromebook should take you to the class link sign-in. So if you have your lanyard and it has the code on the back, so on one side there should be your password, your name, your last name, and your password. The other side, you should have a little image to scan into ClassLink. So on this page, you can either sign in, so type in your first name dot last name, and then type in your password, or you can use this little scanner. You can press that, press allow, and then you're going to be able to scan your little QR code that you have on the back of your lanyard. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in and then show you the next step. Alright, so right now I am signed in as a student. So for you, when you sign in, it should look pretty much exactly like this. And if you see right in the middle here, there's a little Quaver Music app button. So go ahead, click that button. Alright, it's going to load for a few seconds here. And it's going to take you right to the Quaver login. Okay, so for some people, if this is your first time logging in, your character might look a little strange in blue, but that's okay. So now I'm going to go over here to this Teacher Access button. I'm going to click that. Okay, and after clicking that Teacher Access button, I will give you a code for your homeroom teacher. Alright, so whoever your teacher is, if you look in Schoology for the checklist this week, on the top it's going to say the code for your teacher. And I know a lot of you have already done this, but I still have a lot of missing students that haven't logged into Quaver yet. So check Schoology for the code to type in right here. Now, after you type in your code, it's going to say boom chicka boom. You're all ready. I'm going to press OK. Alright, now on the student dashboard, I want you to press the A+ button because that's where our lessons are going to be every single week. So I'm going to press the A+. And then no matter what grade you're in, on this side there is going to be lessons listed here. So make sure you check in Schoology for whatever our lesson is called that week. When you're ready, press the lesson for the week. Down here, you're going to click Launch. And then it's going to start the lesson. It's going to pop up. This is just the 3rd grade practice quiz so I can show you how it works. I'm going to press Start. And then I'm just going to quickly show you. I'm going to press the correct answer. You can see this answer is a little darker. I selected it. Now down here, I'm going to press this little yellow arrow. Okay, oh, I think I skipped one. Alright, there again you can see I selected that. Press this yellow arrow down here. Okay, I'm going to submit. Okay, and now after you press submit and then you press OK, I'm going to go down here, press exit. And then right here it should show you your grade. If you want to go back and check what answers you got wrong or right, you can launch the quiz again. Alright, this time if you want to see the question, you can click, let's say number 1, I want to see what the question was. Alright, so I click number 1 and it shows the question, either I got wrong or right. Hello 5th grade. For this week's music lesson, all I want you to do is to sign into Quaver, and then enter your teacher's class code like you saw at the beginning of this video. I explained it a little bit. So after you do that, click the A+ button and then look at the music lesson that's called 5.2. So it's the lesson that I posted last week. I just want to make sure everyone logs into Quaver and checks out the lesson from last week. Now, I know a few of you have already done this, so if you did, in Schoology, I'll have some extra videos for you. I'll have a Just Dance video link that you can do and have some fun, and I'll also have a body percussion song that you can perform. Okay, so if you did not log into Quaver yet, do that, and then complete the 5.2 lesson. And that's it for this week.